In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Workspace SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. Improve email deliverability, 5 minutes. First, sign into your domain host's website such as Squarespace, GoDaddy, or wherever your DNS is managed. Head to the domains area, select the domain you use with Google Workspace, and open the DNS settings. We'll start with SPF. Create a new TXT record. For host or name, enter the @ symbol or leave it blank if your provider requires that. For value, paste this exactly. V@, SPF1 include spf.google.com, all. If you already have an SPF record, don't create a second one. Instead, edit the existing record and add include spf.google.com before the all or all tag. This tells receiving servers that Google is authorized to send on behalf of your domain. Next, set up DKIM in the Google Admin Console. Sign in as an admin, go to Menu, then Apps, Google Workspace, and select Gmail. Click Authenticate Email. Choose your domain and click Generate New Record. Google will show you a TXT record name and a long value. Copy both. Go back to your DNS settings at your domain host, create a new TXT record, paste the name and the value exactly as provided, and save it. Return to the admin console and click Start Authentication. DKIM helps protect your messages from tampering and improves trust with inbox providers. Now add DMARC. In your DNS, create another TXT record. Set host or name to DMARC. For the value, enter v DMARC1 p-non RUA mail to your email at example. Come out, replace the email with an address you control so you can receive reports. The p-known policy starts you in monitoring mode, which is useful while you verify everything is working. DMARC ties your SPF and DKIM alignment together and gives you visibility into who's sending on behalf of your domain. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take time to propagate, sometimes up to 48 hours globally, though many updates apply sooner. During that window, records may not validate consistently. Finally, verify your setup. Use tools like the Google Admin Toolbox to look up your SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records and confirm they're published correctly. If a check fails, review for typos, extra spaces, or the wrong host field. Make sure you have only one SPF record and that the DKIM TXT name matches what Google generated. That's it. With SPF added, DKIM authenticated, and DMARC published, your email should deliver more reliably and be better protected against spoofing.